Welcome. If you've ever snoozed an email in Gmail and realized you need it back in your inbox sooner, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unsnooze emails using the Gmail app, with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where your snoozed emails are stored. Next, look in the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap this icon to open the side menu. In the menu, scroll down and find the Snoozed label. Tap on Snoozed. This will show you a list of all the emails you've snoozed, so you can easily find the one you want to bring back to your inbox. Browse through your snoozed emails and tap to open the one you want to unsnooze. Once you have the email open, look for the 3 dots icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Tap these 3 dots to open a menu of options. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Unsnooze. Tap Unsnooze. Instantly, the email will be removed from your snoozed folder and placed back into your main inbox, ready for you to reply, forward, or organize as you need. That's it. You've just unsnoozed an email in the Gmail app. This process works the same way on both Android and iOS devices, so no matter what phone you're using, you're covered. Remember, the snooze feature is a great way to stay organized. But if you ever need to act on an email sooner, unsnoozing is quick and easy. Now you can take full control of your inbox and never miss an important message again. Thanks for watching.